even just a second ago. I might notice I can do less in my neck and allow my neck to be freer and longer. So thinking about the goal to have the massage practice, I may find myself tensing up in some way in response to that, and that's me not creating with nature's intelligence. That's me taking over nature's job. In addition, there's the subject itself of conscious co-creating with nature. That's also another end I'm trying to pursue, another goal I'm trying to pursue. So there's that also activates some patterns of movement that I have maybe associated with how I do a project in general, maybe associated with how I relate to other people's perspectives. Am I willing to be the crazy person who believes in fairies while other people are more realistic, more mature? Am I going to be comfortable in that? That's the kind of stuff that can bring up. So I've noticed I'm holding my right leg a little. Wanting to get interested in whoever's walking by outside the window. Can do less in my upper back. So the subject of trying to prove that this is real, that also activates some things. So what do I notice about myself when I think about proving that this is real, or when I think about failing to prove that this is real? There's some kind of scariness to success, as well as the scariness of the pain of failure. It helps to remember that this can be a gradual process of just easing into things, easing into the new. It doesn't have to be done by a human as much as it needs us to let go of doing and let nature do its part more. Wow. And there was a crash. 2 cars right outside my window here. It's quite the response to not a bad crash. I don't think anyone's hurt. Feeling some adrenaline flowing, and I'm holding my shoulders. So yeah, the superstition that nature doesn't do anything and the human does everything, and I just really want to use that word superstition, because if we grow a garden, we obviously know that we're not the ones making the cells of the vegetables. We're not the ones making the chickens run around. There's help, there's a partner there, there's another being doing the bulk of the work. And it can do not only unintelligent work, mechanical work like building plants and animals, but also can do some of the therapeutic work, the helping a person supporting the person's shift in thinking, shift in experiencing from a there's no fairies dynamic to a there's fairies dynamic. Working with nature's intelligence. Nature is intelligent, not unintelligent. To that shift in dynamic, nature helps with that itself. So back to use of the self, if my way of using myself is narrowed into only myself, or projecting onto the absence of intelligence, I can do less of that. I can do more of allowing the kinesthetic sensed experience of something other than my own muscular effort moving me up in gravity. The cars are driving over the bits of broken car on the street there. So I can be experiencing that supportive nature within myself, as well as in the world outside. There's a change of my definition or concept of myself. I'm noticing I can do a little less in my jaw here, especially the left side of my jaw. And my lower spine. It's really distracting hearing those cars running over pieces of metal and plastic out there. I have a feeling I haven't fully answered or fully explored the question, but maybe this has shed light on some of the things that can come up in attempting to start into conscious co-creating with nature's intelligence. And once again, that involves any project you're doing with nature is going to involve thinking as well as physical doing. And the Alexander technique or Alexander's discoveries are about how we use ourselves in anything we do, including thinking, including all doing. And so it can inform all of the aspects of starting to consciously co-create or continuing to consciously co-create with nature's intelligence. Thanks for watching.